Hello and welcome. It's the village guy here. Today I will teach you a simple recipe for cooking rice, ensuring you don't burn it. It's not undercooked or soggy. Right, let's get into it. You'll need your favorite rice, cold water to rinse the rice, and a pan to cook the rice in. Measure out the quantity of rice you need. Add the cold water to the rice. Stir it around with your fingers or a cooking spoon. What you are doing here is washing out all the excess starch from the rice. This causes it to clump together. As you can see, the water has turned white from the excess starch. Drain this water and repeat the process until you start getting clear water from washing the rice. After a few rinses, the water from the rice is now clear. The rice is now ready for cooking. Add in boiled water, twice the amount of rice you put in. Turn on the hob or cooker until all the water has disappeared. Leave to boil. Check on every 5 minutes or so. Water is nearly gone, so keep a closer eye. All the water is gone. Turn off the cooker or hob. Taste the rice. If it's cooked, fantastic. If it's not quite cooked yet, then close the lid and leave the rice to finish cooking in its own heat. By now it should be fully cooked and ready to serve. Quick taste before serving. Delicious. There we have it, fluffy, delicious rice.
finished.